This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert HEIC files to JPEG files on your Mac. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, your photos by default are saved in HEIC format, and this is not always compatible on other devices. So if you want to convert your photos to JPEG, which is more widespread, this is what you do. First, you need to transfer the photos from your device to your Mac. And once that's done, right-click on the photo, then select Quick Actions. Then from there, select Convert Image. When you do this, this box will come up on your screen, and you will have the chance to convert it to a JPEG, an PNG, or an HEIF file. You can also determine the size that you want that file to be and to preserve or get rid of metadata. Then once you've made your decisions, click on Convert the JPEG, and now that photo is a JPEG that'll be more easily shareable with people who don't have Apple devices. You can also do this with the file open by clicking on File, then clicking on Export, and then from there, you will see the format at the bottom. Click this box, select your desired format, then click Save. And then now you can see that this file is once again saved as a JPEG on my Mac. So this video shows you how to convert HEIC files to JPEG files on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.